Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset the battery on your Dyson vacuum. First, let's start with the Dyson V6, V7, and V8 models. Begin by unplugging the charger from the vacuum. Make sure the unit is completely disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the battery from the vacuum. Once the battery is removed, press and hold the trigger on the vacuum for about 20 seconds. This helps release any remaining electrical charge inside the system. After that, reinsert the battery back into place securely. Finally, plug the charger back into the vacuum and allow it to begin charging again. Now, for the Dyson V10 and V11 models, the steps are slightly different. Start by removing the wand and any attachments connected to the vacuum. This gives you clear access to the main unit. Then locate the red button at the bottom of the battery. Press this button to release the battery and slide it out. Leave the battery out of the vacuum for about 30 seconds. This pause allows the system to reset properly. After that, slide the battery back into the vacuum firmly. Make sure you push it in until you hear a clear click. This click confirms the battery is fully seated. Once the battery is back in place, put the vacuum on the charger. Let it charge all the way to 100% without interruption. This helps recalibrate the battery and improves performance. Thanks for watching.